Introducing Cieblink, the supply chain network that connects companies anywhere, anytime. While businesses focus on deals, products, and operations, buyers often struggle to manage their purchasing efficiently. That's why Cieblink was created. By connecting companies, it makes collaboration faster, easier, and more transparent, because we believe we're stronger together. Manage your orders with all your suppliers in one place. Access their product catalogs, create purchase orders, and import your bill of materials from any software directly into the Cieblink cart. Configure your product and get real-time pricing. And with Cieblink AI, buyers can upload any document and instantly turn it into a structured purchase order. Once your order is sent, Cieblink makes it easy to stay in control. An email is automatically sent to your supplier, and you can track every step with our status legend from submission to approval. Your suppliers can respond directly in Cieblink, connecting software to software and simplifying your entire workflow. Most importantly, Cieblink is free. Start simplifying your purchasing today and see why we're stronger together.